I'm going to be starting with my black anchor pencil, and it had done. I don't use it, but I did find it, and I decided to do black brows for this look. So I'm doing my brows how I would typically do my brows. There's not much to explain. Just going to dry it and then fill it, as in outline it, and then fill it in just as how I'm doing here. Then I'm going to be taking LA Pro Conceal in Fawn, and this is what I'll be using to clean up my brows. So it's just the same way how I do my brows. There's nothing different at all, but this is what I do to do my brows. So this is my Shades by Gal concealer, and this is in the color Light. It's a shadow magnet, they call it. I used to use my medium neutral concealer, but now I use this one because it's lighter. Now the medium neutral, obviously, because this one is called Light. And as I said before, I'm just doing it how I would normally do my brows. Now for this eye look, I use my Juvia's Place palette, and for this eye look, I wanted it to be reminiscent of a regular eye look, but not really. I still wanted some kind of messy aspects in there. So I started off using the black eyeshadow, the black eyeliner pencil that I used to do my brows. I believe this is Anchor. So I started off by using that and kind of blending it out to give a blown out feathery effect. But I'll be going in shortly with my Inglot eyeliner gel in number 77. So I'm very accustomed to using pencils and blending, but that's why I didn't go in with my Inglot first. If I had remembered about my Inglot, I would have gone in with it, but I forgot about it. So I started using my pencil, then I'm going to transition to my Inglot. So the foundation I'll be using is Carob, and Carob is from Black Opal. There is no primer on my face, and I didn't powder my face either, because it's not a matte look, so I'm not trying to get it matte or looking perfect, but I want it to be somewhat glamorous, you know. So to highlight, I'm taking LA Pro Conceal in Fawn, and I'm using our Highlighting in Paradise brush from our Pomme in Paradise collection, and I'm using that to blend out my under eye area. Then I'm going in with Sasha Buttercup, and I'll be using this to set all over, my under eye area. And for my powder, I'll be going in with Matte Cocoa, and this is from All Dolled Up Cosmetics. All Dolled Up Cosmetics is a Jamaican brand, a Jamaican black owned brand, and I'm proud to rep my girl in this tutorial. So I'll be taking this everywhere where I did not put the Sasha Buttercup, so I'm basically setting my foundation. So for my eyeliner, I'll be using my LA Pro Primer in black, and this is from Fontana Pharmacy, but as you can see, it is in black, and I'll be using this as a base. So I use it as an eyeliner as well, but in this case, in this instance, I'm using what it was designed for, and I'm using it as an eyeshadow base. And after applying it, I'm just going to be blending out the edges. Now I didn't have to blend out the edges, but I wanted to, because I want the eye look to look semi-wearable, semi-not, to be honest with you, because I wanted this clown slash gypsy slash weird look to, you know, have a different feel. So I went with the halo look for the eye makeup. So that's why I put the black base underneath it, because it will allow the darker colors in this green from my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, my Juvia's Place palette, to stand out some more, you know, the Saharan palette. And then I'm going to go in with this color. This color is called the Chad from the palette. It's black, and I'll be using it to set where I placed my LA Pro Primer in black. So that's basically what I'm doing, and then I'm just going to blend the two eyeshadows lightly, but not to perfection. So I'm going in with the Masquerade palette, and I'm taking this color, and this is what I'll be using as a, not a transition, it's a transitional color, but I'm applying it late. I'm applying it after the fact, and I'm using it just to go on the edges of the outer corner, as you guys can see, of the eyeshadow look, because I'm going to go on the inside with a deeper color, not a deeper color, with a more orangey rich color. So this is like a pumpkin joker. I don't know, man. I just went where my creativity took me. So that palette is also from Juvia's Place, and this is the Zulu palette. And as I say, for a while I only had my Juvia's Place palette. No, I don't, but for a while that's all I had, because I had given away some of my palettes on my Snapchat and to my friends. So these palettes are what I've been using mostly in my tutorials and in my everyday life. So I'm taking that yellow, and I'm just going to blend that onto my brow bone, right between where my brow bone color ends and my eyeshadow begins. So I'm just going to blend it right in that area. Then going back in with the Saharan palette, and I'm going to take this orange, a more, can I say rich? But it's an orange, but it's a different shade of orange than what I've been using, to kind of blend all the colors together. So you see how it kind of brought some more warmth, some more life to the eyeshadow look. So the eyeshadow look is pretty basic. It's like an everyday eyeshadow look, but I chose to do a halo look for this dramatic eye makeup. So I'm lining my eyes with the same pencil that I've been using to do my brows and to draw the lines and stuff. And I started out, as I said before, I started out drawing the line with the pencil, but I'm now going to switch to my Inglot eyeliner gel in 77. And I'm doing this because it's tugging on my face. The Inglot eyeliner gel does not tug on my face like this. It glides. So this Inglot eyeliner gel is from Fontana Pharmacy. As you know, them carry Inglot now. So this is what I grabbed for. This is what I've been using. And if I didn't have this, I would use the LA Pro primer in black. I just have to use like an angled brush, similar to what I'm using now to do the look. But yeah, this is what I've been doing to get. And let me tell you, see, even this, doing this to my eyes, it was just coming to me as I was going along. You know what I mean? I just went with the look. I love doing out of the box creative looks like this and colorful looks, because I don't even think. I just go where the look is taking me, and this is going to sound probably demonic, but I'm just taking it where the character is taking me, you know. I'm just interpreting it how I see it in my head, or don't see it in my head. You know, like if I were this character, I would want to look like this. You know what I mean? I know that sounds weird. I guess only artsy people would understand what I'm saying. And I'm not saying if you're not artsy, you won't. I'm not trying to offend anybody, but I'm just saying this is where it took me, so I just went there. So as I say, I'm just blending out, and the look from here on out is just self-explanatory. And I sped this part up, and I'm still explaining because I still want to explain to you guys what I'm doing. So I'm taking the brush that I used to apply my matte cocoa from All Dolled Cosmetics, and I'm using that to just blend out the dark areas there before. And now I'm going over with the Inglot 77 eyeliner gel on those areas. So this is my Phantom Fright face and body paint. I've had this for years. I believe it was a gift or something, and I've never ever used it until now. And now I understand like what these are for, and it's face and body paint, and I'm not even using it. I'm supposed to be using it. I'm not. I should have gotten that wet so the color could come up some more. Oh my goodness. You live and you learn, people. You live and you learn. So this will be going on my nose, and this will be my little clown nose. So I was looking for a red eyeshadow, and I could not find a red eyeshadow. So I'm taking my Pretty Little Miss Grace palette. This is from Sedona Lace, and it was a collab that she did with Sedona. Sedona? Yeah, Sedona. And I'm using this to set the red, the face paint, the face and body paint. I'm using to set it while kind of depositing more color and kind of blend it up and make it look a little bit faded. So for my lips, I'll be using LA Pro primer in black. Again, I use it on my eyes, and I use it on my eyes as the base, remember? So I'm using it on my lips, and then I'm going in with the same Juvia's Place Saharan palette, and I'll be using that as like a metallic lip. So I'll be putting that in the center of my lips. So I'm doing my voiceover for the video. So this lip is like a trend for me. I love this exaggerated lip so much, and I don't think I'm done with it. I think I want to do something a little bit scarier with this lip. I want to elongate. I want to do like a twisted Cheshire cat. You know that cat from Wizard of Oz, that big smiley cat? Yes, honey. I want to do a twisted one of that because I love this exaggerated lip. I just think it looks so good. So this is what I'll be doing for my lip, and I'm using the Inglot eyeliner gel in 77. Again from Fontana, and for the rest of the look is just basically contouring using my different Juvia's Place eyeshadows. So I'm going with purple and different colors and stuff like that. So this is basically the look. I am pretty much done, you guys. Thank you so much again for allowing me to be me with these Halloween-esque looks. You not even know what to do for me. I'm not telling no lie, because I'm really afraid, and even though I'm not see the comment them yet, I'm still a little bit protective of myself, you know, and whether or not I'm going to read the comments, you know, I'm still a bit scared to do so, because I am a Christian and I'm going to come under scrutiny, but these looks allow me, they allow my creativity to thrive and to just think outside the box, and the looks outside the box, and I really appreciate that, you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my classes on LyricRochester.com. I have classes come up in Tamarack, Florida, as well as Kingston, Jamaica. So check out LyricRochester.com, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Yeah, I got upstate like a month ago. I was talking to fans and one of them pulled me aside and said we never met, but I swear that you know who I am. I've been through a lot. I don't know how to express it to people. Don't think that I can, but I got that mansion CD on rotation. That's real for me, Nate. You do not understand. It's crazy for me.